Good morning dear student. Today we learn how to sort data. In the previous video, we discussed about how we use form in the Excel, how we insert the data into the form, how we delete the data into the form. Now we learn how to sorting the data. Okay, let's start. I create a one table here and now we sort the data. Click the roll number. When you click roll number, go data menu. After click data, we click sort, and by default all the table is selected, and you can type here which you want to sort by. I want to sort by roll number. Here is a value, and second is smallest to largest, largest to smallest. There are three type option. Now we select smallest to largest and we click OK. Now you can see here your roll number is sorted. We can sort by टू कॉलम और मोर कॉलम. जैसे कि हमने बाय रोल नंबर शॉर्टिंग की, तो हम किसी और फील्ड के थ्रू भी शॉर्टिंग कर सकते हैं, मोर देन वन फील्ड. आई वांट टू शॉर्ट रोल नंबर एंड बाय नेम. Okay, now we follow this step. Here is a roll number and name. I click it roll number and we go to the data is all opened here. We click it sort and this sub window will be appear. Here we want to sort by roll number, then select the roll number. Now we click add label and then by name. Second we click name. Here is a list and you can select which you desired. Okay, we click name and click OK, and you can see here table is sorted. Now we start using filters. This is our table and now we apply filter here. This filter क्या है? दरअसल फिल्टर ये है कि हमें पूरी टेबल ना देख के हम कोई डाटा उसमें से व्यू करना चाहते हैं. जैसे मैं नेहा का डाटा व्यू करना चाहती हूँ. आई वांट टू अप्लाई हेयर फिल्टर. नाउ लेट अस सी हाउ टू अप्लाई फिल्टर. Okay, we click it data tab and after we click filter. You can see here changes. In the roll number, a arrow is presented in every column field and this is a drop down arrow. When you click it, then a drop down list will be appear, just such as we click it name and click this symbol, and you can sort to data by here and also use filter. Suppose I want to see only Neha and Seema record. Okay, so I deselect Anju record and now we click OK, and you can see here only Neha and Seema record are presented on your screen. Now we want to apply filter on total marks. And there is a select option. We want to search only those student who get above of 200 marks. Now Seema and Ranjana have 200 above the 200 marks. Now we can clear the filter using the clear. Here when you click clear, then this filter will be disappear and original table will be show you. Our next topic is advanced filter. In the using advanced filter, we can select multiple data at a one time. Our searching is very easy when we use advanced filter. How the advanced filter works? See this. We insert here 3 rows. Now we remove it here. We don't need, but we show you how to insert the row. Okay, you go the home tab. You go to the home tab. When you click home tab, then there will be a menu and here is a insert. When you drop down the insert arrow, here is insert sheet row, and this is a way to how to insert sheet. When you click insert sheet, then one extra row is here. I undo this and now we use advanced filter. Here We want to search Kanik record. Here are two Kanik is presented, roll number 3 and roll number 4. I want to search data of Kanik who get the marks in the English subject is 7. जिसने 7 मार्क्स लिए हैं इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट में, मुझे उसका रिकॉर्ड सर्च करना है. बट यू कैन सी हेयर बोथ Kanik have 7 marks. Okay, in the math subject both have different marks. Now how we search Kanik detail? So we apply here using advanced filter. I create a row, we click it roll number and we click it header and we just copy here, we paste it here. मैंने यहाँ इसको पेस्ट कर दिया है जो हमारी पूरी हेडिंग्स थी, क्योंकि हमें यहाँ फ़िल्टर अप्लाई करना है. हम फ़िल्टर अप्लाई कैसे करेंगे? इक्वल टू का साइन लेंगे, इन्वर्टेड कोमा में वो नाम लेंगे जो हमें सर्च करना है. ओके, व्हेन यू प्रेस एंटर देन it will be appear Kanik only. Here also we do same work in the math field. हमें उसी Kanik की डिटेल चाहिए जिसके मैथ और इंग्लिश में 7 मार्क्स हैं. सो वी एंटर here 7 equal to. Now you can see here I type in the English column, below the English column is equal to inverted comma 7 inverted comma closed, and after we define the criteria we will go the advanced filter. We apply advanced filter. This advanced filter window will be appear here and you select the copy to another location, because हम अपना जो डाटा है दूसरी लोकेशन पे शो करना चाहते हैं. List range, you can select here list range. When you click it in the list box and select the list range, it automatically retrieve this. And क्राइटेरिया रेंज, आपने कहाँ पे इसकी रेंज क्राइटेरिया डिफाइंड किया है, देन यू कैन सी. अब हम उसको सिलेक्ट करेंगे, उस रेंज को सिलेक्ट करेंगे जहाँ हम चाहते हैं कि हमारा जो डाटा है, जो हमने फ़िल्टर अप्लाई किया है, जो रिकॉर्ड हमारा निकल के आएगा Kanik की डिटेल, हम किस लोकेशन पे हमें वो चाहिए. तो here we select the range, we click it OK and you can see here, focus on here, you can see here you get roll number 3, name Kanik, Hindi A6, Math 7, English 7 and total marks.
Okay student, today we learn how to apply filters in the Excel. Okay, and we learn about how to sort the data. Okay, thank you class.